DJ, cause that's my DJ. I said go DJ, cause that's my DJ.
We got Lobo. We got Lil Yachty. We got... Damn, he don't got another nickname? It's only Lobo and Lil Yachty. But anyway, man, we got the homie, man, Lil Yachty Strike Holster, directed by Cole Bennett. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I miss my dog Cole Bennett, bro. Like, yeah, I know Cole Bennett really directs golden music videos, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, real talk. But I feel like Cole Bennett just been low-key MIA, or I'm just tripping. Am I tripping? I might be tripping, man. But anyway, we got Lil Yachty Strike. We gotta see what's going on. How y'all feel about that new Lil Yachty album that he dropped not too long ago, man? Like, we ain't really react to it. We only heard like one song, but well, how y'all feel about it? Was y'all a big fan of it? Was y'all like the change up? Y'all like the new vibe from Lil Yachty? Y'all let me know in the comments, man. What's going on? Talk to me in the comments, man. Get this video to 1,000 likes, man. If you're new, go ahead, subscribe. Let's see what's going on with this music video. And I'm new to the song too, so I don't know nothing. Honestly. Yeah. Okay, it's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like Yachty is having fun, bro. Like, is it Yachty or Yachty? Lil Yachty or Lobo. I'm gonna just be like Lobo. I feel like nah, Lobo sound funny. Anyway, Lil Yachty, I just feel like Lil Yachty's having fun, bro. Like, just having fun with this shit now. You know what I'm saying? I feel like at first, you know, he was giving us hits. You know, I mean, trying to give. I mean, he got his hits, but I feel like it was a point in time where he was just trying to give us new hits and stuff like that. But I just feel like he found his niche and he found what's worked for him. Just have fun with it, you know, and just enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy it. Try something new too. That's the biggest thing, though. A lot of people scared to try something new because they don't know if they go succeed or fail, man. If you just try it, you get some reviews, people like it, you keep going, and you on to the next thing. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like Yachty just found something that he likes and he enjoyed, and also other people enjoyed it too, and then he gained new fans with it because a lot of people didn't know Yachty could get in his bag like that and change it up. Like Lil Yachty, he's an artist, he's a engineer. You know what I'm saying? So he could do it all, man. He's a writer. You know what I'm saying?
I be falling, I was geeking, I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit, I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it, strike like I hit the pin, strike like I'm not gonna work, strike. You know that shit on real.
He always got the lean though. What's up with him, bro? I took the walk to Poland.
Strike, you know that shit on real when you already do. You know that guy ain't sip on drink till it's early. All of this Bottega shit I shopped at Burlington. Drink man had cracked the seal, I begged him to sell it to. Stars in the roof, this shit ain't nothing, I switched the coupe. Emo bitch, she like to go take shrooms, look like Betty Boop. Shit in me, hop in SRTs and do Fruity Loops. He can't play me bank, I switch out whips like they switch out shoes.
Damn.
Okay, it's us. I be falling, I was geeking, I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit, I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it, strike like I hit the pin, strike like I'm not gonna work, strike, slide, shoulder, shoulder, stack them old hunters, recreate Yoda. I don't put no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got her stuck like a holster. It's a gun in my hole.
Who that though? Oh, who that? Who this, y'all? Who this?
Perky got her stuck like a holster. It's a gun in my holster. New Balenciaga in Dover. 220. It's a 4 in my soda. Sit on a Balenciaga.
Is this nigga floating though, bro?
Costa.
This shot clean as hell though.
Yeah. Okay. It's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike, strike.
I was geeking. I was trying to strike it. I was geeking. I ain't gonna lie, that shot was clean when he was on the water.
Open up crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a horse.
Nah, that was hard.
Okay, it's us.
Like a hoe. I didn't hear that on this song though. What the hell? I ain't hear him say host not one time.
Like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike, strike. You know that shit on real when you heard it. You know that guy ain't sip on drink till it's early. Yeah.
Like a host. Nah, Lil Yachty really just having fun at this point, bro.
Open up crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a horse.
I didn't hear that. Am I bugging?
Tweaking. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike.
On bro,
Hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike, strike. Slide, slide. Shoulder, shoulder. Stack them all hundreds, recreate Yoda. I'm putting no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a holster.
Oh, there you go. I did hear it. I did hear it. that part clean though. Oh, that's his sister? Bringing his sister in the video was a great touch. She made the song what it is. Word? People really don't give Yachty the credit he deserves. It's crazy. Not facts though, but Yachty's starting to get his credits though. So happy he's finding his own lane and embracing it. Word. Oh, word. It's probably... Damn, so his sister was the one that really made him, like, drop this song? Because, you know, if Lil Yachty see a song buzzing, he's dropping it. And that's what I like about Lil Yachty, though, bro. He did the same thing with Poland. Like, even though he didn't finish Poland, a lot of y'all was rocking with Poland, he said, yo, we gotta shoot a music video, we gotta drop it, though. I like this song. I like this part especially, though, bro.
Perky got it stuck like a holster. It's a gun in my holster.
That part clean though, man. I didn't even know that was his sister. I'm like, who that though? I'm like, who that? Like, word. Anyway, y'all go ahead and leave a like on this video, man. Subscribe if you're new. Your boy DJ, man. I'm out of here, man. So look, y'all, the video ain't over yet, man. Stay tuned for this. So look, man, we got an artist on the rise, man. DTB Noon with the new track, man, called Big Body Beamer. I'm going to leave a link in the description, man. New York, where y'all at, man? You know what I'm saying? We about to tune into this. Link will be in the description if y'all want to go check it out for yourself, man. Let's see what's going on, bro. DTB Noon. Big Body Beamer. Beamer.
Moving a big body beamer, two-seater. Grab my personal bitch, will eat her. She been living my shit like a waiter, but eat off my plate, I feed her. My Glock, my bitch. Take a squeeze, take a shot, then I leave her. Out the hole and I drop my first single. Best believe so supply the first finger. Never said I'm a winner, cause I'm taking L's, but I'm taking my dubs through. Try to bounce smoke, so I'm gonna run through. Cause I want smoke.
We all take our L's, we all take our dubs, man. You feel me? That's why I always say, bro, enjoy the highs and the lows of life, bro. Regardless of what that comes with, bro. Enjoy the highs and the lows, bro.
My shit like a waiter, but eat off my plate, I feed her. My Glock, my bitch. Take a squeeze, take a shot, then I leave her. Out the hole and I drop my first single. Best believe so supply the first finger. Never said I'm a winner, cause I'm taking L's, but I'm taking my dubs through. Try to bounce smoke, so I'm and run through. Cause I want smoke, I always get rolled in the run through. Straight pressure applying. Take a pause in the breath, and my guys coming flying. Don't leave us with that phone by your side, got you think you can beat us. And we left you with a different attitude about you. So don't go over your mouth, dude, it's frozen like a statue. Yeah, we could've left you stuck inside a coffin, or left you in your own blood coffin. But we didn't squeeze her, there was no need to leave her. But don't test me, cause next time there won't be a next time for you. I'm squeezing, I'm shooting him. Have you asked about Jesus?
Yeah, ain't no next time for you, man. Yo, that New York joke is crazy, bro. Yeah, I swear that New York Jill is crazy, bro. He said, nigga, ain't no next time for you, bro. Next time I see you, I'm squeezing, I'm dumping it. You heard?
Yeah, we could've left you stuck inside a coffin, or left you in your own blood coffin, but we didn't.
Oh, he wild.
And we left you with a different attitude about you, so don't go over your mouth, you was frozen like a statue. Yeah, we could've left you stuck inside a coffin, or left you in your own blood coffin, but we didn't squeeze her, there was no need to leave her. But don't test me, cause next time there won't be a next time for you. I'm squeezing, I'm shooting and boom. Have you asked about seasons? Just that fan that never flew up in the dust like my neck heavy head and never get a touch like moving too fast, that head with a left right. Gon' squeeze her, then leave her. Don't tell me don't squeeze it, I mean leave it like a mixtape. Point of my life, I'm a rich take, soon to be worth the double or worth the weight. Moving a big body, beamer, two-seater, grab my personal bitch to eat her. She done living my shit like a waiter, but eat off my plate, I'll feed her. My Glock, my bitch, take a squeeze, take a shot, then I leave her. My Glock, my bitch, take a squeeze, take a shot, then I leave her. Like, fuck a shot on me, Henny, and I'm hoping that you hear me. I'm sorry to do it really. When I get this, got a bullet in his belly. Never spit, I'm jam, I'm just hearing me that jelly. Don't be upset, trying to jack you.
Wait. Hold up.
Glock, my bitch, take a squeeze, take a shot, then I leave her. Like, fuck a shot on me, Henny, and I'm hoping that you hear me. I'm sorry to do it really. When I get this, got a bullet in his belly. Never spit, I'm jam, I'm just hearing me that jelly. Don't be upset, trying to jack you, wasn't ready. Was it by my side when I told you it's my time? Now you trying to shine with me and spend time with me. You must think I'm too blind, can't see. Truth can't hide from me. All these caps, all these lies, I ain't.
Never get blind. Never get blind. You heard me? They wasn't there with you when it was raining. You think you gonna be there when the sun is out? Stupid.
His belly, never spit, I'm jam, I'm just hearing me that jelly. Don't be upset, trying to jack you, wasn't ready. Was it by my side when I told you it's my time? Now you trying to shine with me and spend time with me. You must think I'm too blind, can't see. Truth can't hide from me. All these caps, all these lies, I ain't bound to see. Get you a ride or die who is squeezing. Gon' blast that grip when they see it. She gon' lead him down. Paramedics gon' check up on his breathing. Had a seizure, leaning on lean syrup in his lean. Even when I'm sauce, can't catch me lacking. That is a problem. Pistol packing and we solving the problem. Loving that, you know I got it. 40s on me and I'm blasting him off. Hit through his front, left through his back, leave his ass on the floor. Now we looking for some more. He don't want it, but he jacking the smoke. Like.
He don't want it, but he jacking the smoke. Like. Oh, I just noticed what beat he used. Yeah, I just realized what beat cuz used, bro.
Moving a big body, beamer, two-seater. Grab my personal bitch, you a eater. She been living my shit like a waiter, but eat off my plate, I feed her. My Glock, my bitch, take a squeeze, take a shot, then I leave her. Out the hole and I drop my first single.
Yeah, my Glock, my bitch. Yo, man, links in the description, man. Go fuck with my boy, man. DTB Noon, man. You feel me? Big body beamer. Link will be in the description and in the comment section down below, man. Y'all go ahead, go bump this, man. You feel me? In the car, in the whip, whatever, man. New York, where y'all at. You know what I'm saying? I'm out of here, though.